In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Imam Hasan Al Askari, peace be upon him, once said, "Generosity has a limit. When exceeded, it becomes extravagance. Caution has a limit. When exceeded, it becomes cowardice. Thriftiness has a limit. When exceeded, it becomes miserliness. Courage has a limit. When exceeded, it becomes foolhardiness." These words cut to the very heart of human nature. We often think virtues have no ceiling, that the more generous, cautious, or courageous we are, the better. But Imam, peace be upon him, reminds us that even light, when too bright, blinds the eye. Even sweetness, when too much, becomes bitter. Generosity is noble, but when it crosses its boundary, it ruins rather than builds. Caution protects, but when it goes too far, it paralyzes the soul. Thriftiness preserves, but when it is chained too tightly, it suffocates the spirit. And courage, the most celebrated of all, when stretched beyond its rightful limit, becomes recklessness that destroys. Imam Hasan Al Askari, peace be upon him, was teaching us that every virtue lives in balance. To walk with God is not to abandon measure, but to honor it. Excess turns the beautiful into the ugly, and balance turns the ordinary into light. His words are a mirror. Where do we stand, brothers and sisters? Are we balanced in our generosity, our caution, our thrift, our courage? Or have we crossed the line where virtue becomes vice? This is not philosophy, it is survival for the soul. Between excess and neglect lies the straight path, and it is there that the believer finds God.